health channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you get rid of dark armpit by using baking soda and lemon. How can you get rid of dark armpit by using baking soda and lemon? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. Also, don't forget to join my YouTube channel membership, link on my description. So let's begin. Okay, so after making that paste, you are going to apply to your armpits. You apply to the armpit and then you scrub your armpits, the right side and the left side. Also, make sure that you do that procedure after applying that. You must leave for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then after there you wash it away. And after washing it away, make sure that you use another half of lemon, and then you also scrub your armpits, and also you scrub your armpit by using another half of a lemon. So after doing this procedure, make sure that you do this procedure until you see that your armpits start changing. And this process, it really works. But if it does not work, it means that there are also some other medical conditions which can cause dark armpits. Therefore, you need to go to see a doctor, and especially a dermatologist, because there are some conditions such as certain medications which increase insulin level, for example corticosteroids or birth control pills. They can also cause dark armpit. But also certain medical conditions such as diabetes mellitus can also cause dark armpit. So make sure that you go and see a doctor. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.